In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to improve your resume and LinkedIn profile for the jobs you want. If you've been applying for roles and feel like your profile isn't presenting you as strongly as it could, this process can help you sharpen your wording and make your experience more relevant. The goal is not to invent anything new, but to improve how your real experience is communicated. Start by opening ChatGPT and pasting in the text from your current resume or your LinkedIn profile. Make sure you include the main sections you want help with, especially your headline, summary, and work experience. Before you paste anything, quickly remove personal or sensitive information you don't need to share, such as contact details or anything private. What matters most here is the professional content. Next, add the title or the industry you're targeting. This gives ChatGPT context so it can tailor the language more effectively. For example, instead of asking for a general rewrite, you want it to understand whether you're aiming for a marketing role, a project management position, a data-focused job, or something else. The more clearly you define your target, the better the suggestions will usually be. Then ask ChatGPT to improve your headline, summary, and experience section. This is where it can help rewrite vague or generic language into something more polished and professional. A stronger headline can make your profile more focused, while a better summary can quickly show your value to recruiters and hiring managers. After that, ask for stronger achievement-based bullet points. This is especially useful if your current resume mostly lists responsibilities instead of results. You want your experience to sound active and measurable where possible, highlighting contributions, outcomes, and impact rather than just day-to-day tasks. Once that's done, add keywords from job descriptions. This helps align your resume and LinkedIn profile with the kinds of terms employers are actually using. It can also improve visibility in applicant tracking systems and recruiter searches. Be thoughtful here and only include keywords that genuinely match your background. Before using the new version, review all the rewritten content carefully for accuracy. This step is essential. Make sure every statement reflects your real experience, skills, and achievements. Edit anything that sounds exaggerated, too generic, or not quite true to your voice. Finally, update your resume and LinkedIn profile with the improved content. Save the final version, and adjust it for each job application. That last part makes a big difference because even a strong resume performs better when it's tailored to the specific role you're applying for.